We are learning that Navjot Singh Sidhu is set to take charge now as the president of the Punjab Congress Committee, and this is happening this Friday. But he's yet to meet with the Punjab Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh, and the decision has been taken without his consideration. Before we get you more live coverage on that story, this is earlier what we heard from Navjot Singh Sidhu.
ਇੱਕ ਲਾਈਨ ਬੋਲਾਂਗਾ ਬਾਹਰ ਮਾਤਾ ਦੀ ਜੋਤ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਉਸ ਜੋਤ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਕਲਿਆਣ 'ਚ ਮੇਰਾ ਕਲਿਆਣ ਨਿਹਿਤ ਕਰ। ਇੱਕ ਲਾਈਨ ਬੋਲਾਂਗਾ ਬਾਹਰ ਮਾਤਾ ਦੀ ਜੋਤ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਉਸ ਜੋਤ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਕਲਿਆਣ 'ਚ ਮੇਰਾ ਕਲਿਆਣ ਨਿਹਿਤ ਕਰ।
Let's get in our colleague Amandeep, who's reporting live on that story for us, and he joins us on the broadcast. You know, Amandeep, I just want to know whether it is usual or unusual that the sitting PCC chief has still not met with the captain. There has been no communication between any of them yet from either side. Amandeep.
Dipti, it never happened before. It never ever happened before, especially in Punjab and even in the Congress party. When Sunil Jakhad was appointed as a PPCC president, he met first to Captain Amrinder Singh. He clicked the photographs with Captain Amrinder Singh, discussed the entire scenario of Punjab, and even they discussed the party lines also. And then he started meeting the MLAs, the leaders, and even the ministers also. But now here, this situation is something else. The dividing Congress is now visible on the screens, is now visible on the ground. One section that is sitting silent with Captain Amrinder Singh, and one section that is celebrating with Navjot Singh Sidhu. There are switching of loyalty exercises also being conducted by the certain MLAs just because they don't have any stand. Yesterday they are with the Captain Amrinder Singh at his official residence, meeting and even discussing the political scenario of Congress party, how to take forward the governance of Congress government in Punjab. But today they joined the power show of Navjot Singh Sidhu as well. So nothing is being predicted, and even the MLA switching
along with the Delhi police officials.
For the moment, we are just cutting across to these images that we are given to understand are of earlier today, where Navjot Singh Sidhu was at the Golden Temple, and he was accompanied with a lot more MLAs from the Punjab Congress. And let's see if we can actually get back Amandeep, who was reporting live for us. Amandeep, apologies, I think we just ran into some trouble with your line, but if you can hear me now, I want to know what happens next. You know, for the next 7 to 8 months, till we do not see the elections in Punjab, will this Cold War between Navjot Singh Sidhu and the captain continue, Amandeep?
Dipti, now it's a Cold War, and even in the upcoming days, we cannot drag it to the 6 to 7 months. Just in upcoming days, this would be a head-on collision among Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu, the way they are confronting each other. Captain's demand is to Sidhu that apology publicly, the way he released the statements on the public platforms and derogatory statements against Captain. And Sidhu is very much adamant. He had not responded so far about the Captain Amrinder Singh's this demand was sorting the apology. Nothing is going to be resolved, Dipti. I'm telling you, nothing is going to be resolved in this internal tussle, and this will be escalate, and this will divide the Congress party before 2022 like anything. And even when a certain section of MLAs and ministers is supporting Navjot Singh Sidhu, certain section of ministers, MPs and MLAs is supporting Captain Amrinder Singh, nobody is going to turn down from both of them. Captain will run his government according to his own lines without any coordination with the party. And Navjot Singh Sidhu will organize his Congress party in Punjab and streamline the things before 2022 elections. But nothing is possible without coordination of government and party, just because Congress is in ruling. And even it was apprehended earlier also, everybody knows that Navjot Singh Sidhu is yet to be proved as a loyalty to Congress party, and even the leadership acceptability at mass level. So both the things are yet to be proved by Navjot Singh Sidhu. But one side, a proved leader of Congress party, he was brushed aside. And now Harish Rawat has also released that Congress, Navjot Singh Sidhu will take charge on Friday as a PPCC president at Chandigarh.
But how does that help the tussle? We do not know, Amandeep. I am just saying thank you to you with this tweet that has come in from the BJP national spokesman, RP Singh. In fact, if we just look at these images, he said, game on, Sidhu 62, Captain 50. So the opposition is keeping a score of what is happening on each side. Amandeep, so are we for the moment. Thank you.